Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Google Calendar. Sign into the account that created the event. Once signed in, switch to day or week for faster scanning, or type the event name into the search box to jump straight to it. Make sure the event belongs to a calendar you can edit. If not, you'll need the owner to cancel. Now that you've located the event and confirmed permissions, you're ready to open it and take the next action. Open the event details by clicking it, then choose Edit if you need full controls. If it's a meeting with guests, use Cancel and notify guests so attendees get an update. Otherwise, Delete removes it from your calendar. For recurring events, pay close attention to the prompt. Select this single occurrence, this and future occurrences, or all events depending on what you intend to cancel. Also check conference links and attachments. Remove or update them so attendees aren't confused. After choosing Delete or Cancel, confirm the action and send the cancellation notice so guests are informed. Once done, refresh your calendar and, if possible, ask a sample guest to confirm the event disappeared or that they received an email. If the event persists or no notification was sent, make sure you were signed into the correct account and have edit rights. Try logging out /in or forcing a sync. If permissions block you,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.